I just checked. Doesn't look like there's anyone suspicious outside.
Don't worry, I wasn't followed. It took a lot to get out of 14th Street unnoticed, but I made sure nobody was tailing me.
I hope so.
I know things been tight lately with the general election just around the corner. They're really cracking down on proxies. They set up a hotline and...
So what's the hurry, Nicole? Which creditor is chasing after you this time?
That's not it! I was set up by public security and that angry reporter from Redo TV.
So Billy and Anby fell into a hollow.
I have to get them out. And I need to get back what I've been commissioned to deliver. It's an emergency and you're the only ones who can help.
Why don't you make a rescue application with the Hollow Investigative Association?
I don't want to make us a target for the association right now. If they found we'd been involved in Hollow raiding, we'd be in big trouble. And it'd take a small fortune to pay those greedy vultures off. But I can't just abandon my squad, right?
Leaving employees behind. That does sound a lot like Nicole's style.
Hey, don't be mean. I allocate a large portion of our revenue to the employee rescue budget. Look, all in all, my request is simple. All you need to worry about is getting my people and my clients' stuff out of the Hollow safely. You don't accept basic proxy work now? Phaethon, finish this job, and I'll clear my entire bill in one go.
You've been dodging your bill for months, Nicole. You should think about the interest.
Fine. I'll give you a share of the commission payment. Does that cover it?
That'll do it.
Great! There's no time to waste. I'll be waiting for you in the Hollow.
Did I hear something?
No. I don't hear anything.
Don't push yourself, Nicole. Rest a while. We'll need your help to take Eos somewhere close to the Hollow later.
Oh, deploying your Bang Boo double, huh? Okay.
Bro, how about you tend to Nicole's wound first? I'll go debug the HDD and help you with the prep work to infiltrate the Hollow. Well then, let's get down to business.
Hello? Can you hear me, Nicole?
You can put Eos through now.
Okay. Right, little one. Off you go then. Done. Bang Boo's on the way.
So, can we start it up?
another fight? At the rate my ammo's depleting, I can say goodbye to my efficiency bonus.
Incoming. Get ready.
Wait! That wasn't me!
Hey, all. Over here. Nice work, all.
It's a scarf-wearing talking bamboo.
Oh! You're Phaethon!
I can't hear that superior ethereal anymore.
Great. I feel like my leg's pistons are gonna break.
I propose now is a good time to take a break. Is that acceptable, Proxy?
You all rest. I'll take the first watch.
Thanks, Proxy.
Whew. That was dangerous. It's crazy what a powerful monster that Red Fang dude mutated into. It's all thanks to you, Manager. You got us out of there in the nick of time. As expected from Phaethon, reliable as always.
You flatter me. I'm just doing what any proxy does.
I figured to save money, Nicole would have left us to fend for ourselves. Hiring the great Phaethon to get us out is quite a surprise. If you hadn't come, I'm afraid we wouldn't have made it out of that ethereal's territory. Thanks for coming to the rescue.
Speaking of which, I've always wanted to ask you about that device in your store. You know, the one that lets you sync with Bangbu and communicate in real time within Hollow. That's some serious tech. Even public security and the Hollow Investigative Association can't do it. With a trump card like that, why didn't you just join the association? Whatever way you look at it, working with us Hollow Raiders has to be more dangerous than the profit is worth.
That sounds like an ethereal.
Ugh, so soon? I only just sat down.
We have to get out of here. Unless, Billy, you'd like to stay here forever? That new Starlight Night belt you wanted. I guess I'll place it at your grave next year.
When you say things like that with that poker face of yours, I can't tell if you're joking or not.
Working with you two is like watching a never-ending sitcom.
Is that why you keep letting Nicole hire you on credit?
I don't know if I should be happy about that or not. But now's not the time. We should get out of here before those ethereals catch up.
I've located the closest exit. Take the path on the right, Wise.
Please, Manager, lead the way.
Hang on. Let me scan the upcoming area. Fortunately, there are no ethereals on our tail. Let's keep pushing to the exit. Hollow observation data. The more the better.
Please, Manager, lead the way. Billy time!
New enemies incoming. Don't let your guard down.
Wait! I feel like my leg's pistons are gonna break.
I've located the closest exit. Take the path on the right, Wise.
Please, manager, lead the way.
Hang on. Let me scan the upcoming area. Fortunately, there are no ethereals on our tail. Let's keep pushing to the exit.
Please, manager, lead the way.
New enemies incoming. Don't let your guard down.
I've got plenty of bullets! You rang?
How observation data? The more the better. Huh? What's that shaking? Ethereals. They're catching up, Proxy.
What should we do? Fight?
It's cool. Just come with me. This trackling machine. We can use this. It'll be faster if we keep to the track.
Scanning for safety valve data. The system log shows that the valve is unlocked by inserting the preset amount of gear coin.
Even in a hollow, they're seriously gonna charge a toll? Even if I agree. The Starlight Knights wouldn't agree, and even if the Starlight Knights agreed, Nicole wouldn't agree! So take that! Starlight Mirage!
Agent Billy detected. He is forcing the valve lock with the butt of his gun. Valve detected. Open. But Agent Billy has suffered partial damage to his hand's exoskeleton.
Ow! It hurts! I've got goosebumps. It's so powerful!
Can you even get goosebumps, Billy?
It's a metaphor, all right. Let's just focus on the enemy.
Ether activity increased. They're getting violent. Be careful.
In my sight!
Copy that.
Starlight, shine bright!
Intermaneuver.
Let's clear him out! Which way should we go?
Full speed ahead.
Understood! Full speed ahead! Wait, ahead? But that's a wall in front of us! Smash it? You want to smash through it? I don't have that kind of firepower right now!
Don't worry, just do what my brother says.
That voice... Oh! It's the other Phaethon!
You're finally online.
Sorry, I was checking to make sure the hollow exit was stable. Billy, Anby, can you hear me? My brother was right about the escape route. You know space inside the hollows is totally distorted. That means... A way out may look like a dead end, but a dead end may also just be a dead end.
Thanks for the explanation, Anby.
Our escape route after getting out has been arranged. You can trust us. Hey, bro, you can cut the connection now.
I'm hanging up now. Talk soon.
It's gone quiet. It became a regular bang boo.
Why would they desync at a time like this?
Going straight forward. Brace for impact.
We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash! We're gonna crash!
The oppressive weight of ether is gone.
We're out! We're finally out!
Phaethon got the time and location spot on. Hey, you two! Get in the car!
Boss!
You're here! Perfect timing!
That was fast, Nicole. Did you run a red light again?
No, we just passed a normal green light, R255 in the RGB scale. Oh right, I made sure I wasn't followed the whole way.
Anby, what does an R255 green light look like?
It's the same color as your jacket. Nicole, they've both been extracted. I guess it's time to pay up.
Not so fast. That's not what we agreed on. The commission was my people and the client's item. You've only completed the first half.
Don't worry, Nicole. We remember. It's just a joke.
I knew Phaethon was the most reliable and trustworthy.
According to what we saw before extraction, the strongbox should be in the territory of a highly dangerous ethereal. The White Star Institute has it registered as Dullahan, a superior ethereal.
That's the one. That Red Fang dude was unlucky. His ether corruption must have been pretty intense, considering he's become such a dangerous ethereal. Anby and I tried to grab the strongbox, but that guy was so tough! We didn't get the chance before we got extracted. We did find this along the way, though. What exactly is in that box? Is it worth all this effort?
We'll find out soon enough.
Take a look at this.
So it looks like a necklace, but it's actually a flash drive?
That's right. It's a mini storage device. It's Silver's. I picked it up in the building before I got out of 14th Street. I noticed it before. He always had it on his person.
So, it must contain something important. I bet it has something to do with the strongbox.
But it suffered some damage.
Yeah, look at all those burn marks.
Faithin, can you do some of your magic using that complicated computer of yours?
The HDD is mainly used to process holo data. But if we only need to export what's in the flash drive... Hey bro, maybe I could try to recover the data with the proxy network's computing power.
Great! It's a deal then. We'll try to locate the strongbox in the holo. We'll come find you when we learn something new. Let's just go our separate ways until then. Oh, don't forget to extract the data from the flash drive, though.
See ya, manager.
Goodbye.